In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the swipe between pages feature in Microsoft Edge. Let's get started on this simple process to make your browsing experience even smoother. First things first, you'll need to open Microsoft Edge on your device. So, go ahead and launch the browser by clicking on the familiar blue E icon. Once you have Edge open, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice three dots vertically aligned. This icon is often referred to as the More button and serves as a gateway to more options beyond what's immediately visible in the browser window. Click on these three dots and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. In this menu, locate the item labeled Settings. This is where you'll find all sorts of customizable options for your browser. Select Settings and you'll be taken to a new page filled with different categories that control various aspects of Edge. It might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're only focusing on a particular section today. Direct your attention to the left side of the settings page. Here you'll see a list of categories. Scroll through this menu and click on Accessibility. This section is crucial as it holds settings that make browsing more adaptable for everyone, ensuring a more inclusive experience. Now that you're in the Accessibility section, what you're looking for is the option labeled Swipe Between Pages. This feature can be particularly useful if you're someone who frequently flips between web pages, as it provides a more fluid and intuitive navigation experience that mimics how you might browse on a smartphone or tablet. Once you find the Swipe Between Pages option, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. If the toggle is gray, the feature is currently disabled. To enable it, simply click on the toggle to switch it to blue, indicating that the swipe gesture is now activated. It's as straightforward as that. By turning on this feature, you'll make your web navigation feel a bit faster and more connected, allowing you to move between pages with just a flick of your fingers. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully enabled the Swipe Between Pages feature in Microsoft Edge. This simple adjustment can make your browsing smoother and more efficient, especially if you're multitasking or using a device with a touchscreen. Remember, settings like these are here to enhance your browsing experience, so don't hesitate to explore other options that might benefit you. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember to like and subscribe for more easy tips and tutorials.